My friends, I'm telling you right now, it is no joke. It is 8:45 in the morning down here in my neck of the woods in Texas. And it is 41 degrees with a wind chill of 32 already, and the wind is blowing. Made my horses some hot mash here. Get them off to a good start this morning before this stuff gets here. It's they're normal horse pellets and steam-rolled oats and some alfalfa pellets. And that's key. Karma's over here eating hers. Ooh-wee, that wind is a-blowing. And no, don't worry. Yeah, I see that hay ring is empty. Their hay is up there in that barn. Well, it's a run-in, and we got doors on it, and there's hay, a big round bale of hay right behind them doors, so they've got a place to go and get out of the wind and still be able to eat when this stuff gets here. All right, I'm off to my next chore. I've got to disconnect these water hoses and get the spigot covers on them. Praise be to God. Tom got the generator fixed. He was out here working on it last night, and again here this morning in this wind and this cold. It's running now. If we lose power, we will be okay. We've done everything that we possibly could to get this chicken coop ready for everyone, and we've put all the flocks in here except the Easter eggers. He sealed off that nest box so nobody can climb in there and freeze to death. We've got plastic wrap all the way around this thing to keep the wind off of them. We've got an attic vent, and they've got ventilation across the top here. Everything else is boarded up or has plastic on it all the way around. I'm not walking back there. That's the north side, and it's very cold and windy here. But there's the coop. We've done everything we possibly can. We filled in with dirt around it and put rocks down to hold the dirt in place in case we get any rain. We boarded off the underside so that cold air can't get in underneath and into the run. I've got 2 thermometers too. One is in the coop and one is in the run. I'll show you all that here in a minute. That way we can monitor the temperature. I'm filling waterers right now with hot water so I can get these out to the chicken coop. I'm going to switch them out with the ones that are out there right now and bring those in so I've got them later. No wet hands in this stuff, hot water. Alright, we've got 3 waters full of hot water. We are off to the chicken coop.
The door's opened up.
Okay, we just got these waters switched out, and Tom's taking the cold ones into the house. Please, if you've got chickens, livestock, whatever, make sure that they have got warm water through this. This stuff freezes so fast. You want to check on this at least every 2 to 4 hours if at all possible. But we've got 17 chickens out. Well, got 16 chickens and 1 rooster out here. We've got 2 feeding stations there, 3 waterers, and there's another feeder. And you can see we've got plastic wrap here all the way around this run. This is the west wall, and this is the north wall, and you can see that plastic just billowing. They've got ventilation up here. We opened these interior windows into the run instead of on the outside for ventilation in the coop. Let's go see what the temperature is here in this run right now. It looks like we're at 35 degrees. Everybody is up. There's Mr. Handsome. He's trying to decide if he's coming out or not. But 16 girls and 1 rooster. We put roost bars out here for them. We put a nest box out here for them. They've got their calcium. They've got another perch here if they want to play on there. And we did end up sealing up this door last night with wood up here. It was just getting too cold in here. The temperature was dropping in the run overnight. So there's a board on that ventilation window. But they've got ventilation across the top there. God willing, they're all going to be okay. There's Mr. Handsome. He is the son of our first rooster, Goldie, that passed away. We hatched out eggs from our hens that we had put him with. And part of these chickens out here are his offspring. We're glad that we did that. And they're still trying to work out the pecking order. We had to throw everyone in here last night. But so far so good. No blood has been drawn. They'll figure it out. That's just how chickens are. All right, we gotta get back inside. All right, I'm taking a walk with you up the hill. There's the rooster pen. This is why we had to bring them inside. We don't have any time to get that winterized or nothing. This is where they sleep at night. We've got them in the house now in some U-Haul boxes. We're gonna leave this door open because we have a stray barn cat that comes here all the time. This will give her some place to come in and hide from the cold if she wants to, or she goes in the barn with the horses. And we have 3 wild guineas that come all around here all the time, and they can come get in here if they want to and get them some food and water. But yeah, and we've emptied out these coops up here. It's gonna be too cold, but that was where my Easter eggers were. That's where Goldie's offspring were at, and they're all out back now. We got this shut down. All right, we'll take a walk back down here. I'm gonna show you, my horses do have hay. They're gonna be all right. We're all gonna be okay. Great big round bill right there. Yep, and he's already pulled hay down for them to lay down on in here and sleep on. So he's a good boy. He takes good care of his mare. All right, let's go down here. All right, we have moved the water to the front side of the house, which is providing a north wind block. And got the hose off, got spigot cover on. Tommy did that. And we've dropped the water heater in here to keep this from icing up, so we're not out here having to bust up blocks of ice off the top of that water. Okay, I think we're ready. I'm gonna get inside and get me a hot cup of coffee, y'all. It is cold. It is very cold. Here's our pecan tree we're trying to grow. Oh, goodness me. It's cold and it's windy already. I'm gonna come over here and grab these horse buckets and take them in with me. Karma knocked hers off. Oh, hang that there for a minute till I get up here. Whew. Well, I hope y'all are okay and inside and safe and warm. Oh, you're using the house as a wind block? Like King. Hi, sweet boy. Be my good boy. Hi, sweetheart. It's okay. I know. Storms are coming. The storm is coming. Can we kiss? All right. I love you guys. Go get in your barn. Go get in your barn. Go get in your barn, sweet boy. It's gonna be all right. All right. Over and out, y'all. Have a good day. Stay safe. Stay warm. King says hi. Saving birds from freezing to death. Grab yourself a box from Home Depot. Alright, if anybody wants a rooster for Christmas and you live in Texas, let me know, because I got several of them. That's our Will Summer Ruru. Yep, he was up there in that horse trailer. We got him in. This is Big Red, our blue production. Yep, he's inside. This is Dusty. We pulled him. We had to pull all the roosters because you can only have one rooster out there with that flock of hens. These guys will fight each other to death. But that's what you want when you want a rooster to protect your flock. You don't want them to accept any other roosters. You don't want them to accept any other birds coming along. You want them to protect their family. There's Chip and April. Chip and April. Yeah. And they're under this window here, so I put a old egg crate for a bed on there to protect them from any draft that might be coming in. But there's April and Chip. And over here, we've got the EE crew. We've got Cocoa Puff. Hey, Coco. How you doing? Huh? There's Cocoa Puff. And we've got his 3 girls. with him. They got water, they got food. Everybody's safe and warm and secure. All right, I'm gonna get this posted. Maybe give y'all some tips for winter prep at your place. God bless. Oh, and how can I forget Wendy, the house chicken? She doesn't tolerate the cold at all. She'll be in here with us all winter long. Wendy, can you say hi? She's also a well summer. I should have just put her in with Ruru, I guess. Oh well. These boys will be going back outside after it warms up.
Bye.